Engines rumble in the darkness before sunrise. A low metallic growl rolls across an empty truck stop as the air trembles with raw diesel power. Chrome catches the first thin blade of daylight, but what you're looking at isn't just a truck. Hidden behind these massive hoods are rolling apartments, mobile command centers, luxury penthouses on wheels, machines built not just to cross continents but to live on them. Sleeper trucks were never meant to be this extreme. Originally, they were simple resting compartments. A narrow bunk, maybe a cabinet, enough for a driver to close their eyes between hauls. But somewhere along the highways of America, ambition collided with engineering. Builders began asking a dangerous question. What if a truck could feel like home? What followed was a revolution of steel, leather, hardwood, and horsepower. Today, we step inside 10 of the biggest, most extreme sleeper trucks ever built. Machines that blur the line between transportation and architecture. Some stretch longer than city buses. Others carry luxury features you'd expect in million-dollar penthouses. And each one tells a story of obsession, endurance, and the strange beauty of life on the open road. The first giant doesn't whisper its presence. It announces itself with sheer authority. The double Eagle Peterbilt dominates the asphalt with proportions that feel almost architectural. Its extended sleeper transforms the truck's silhouette into something closer to a moving suite than a working vehicle. Step inside and the transformation is immediate. Warm hardwood floors glow under recessed lighting. A lounge area faces a wide entertainment screen. Real granite countertops line a compact kitchen space designed for weeks away from civilization. The double Eagle Peterbilt wasn't built for short hauls. It was built for life between horizons. Further down the road, another icon raises the standard. The ARI Legacy Sleeper feels like stepping into a compact luxury apartment balanced on a heavy-duty chassis. Behind the cab, the sleeper expands into a fully equipped living space complete with a full-size bed, a functioning shower, and carefully integrated climate systems capable of maintaining comfort in brutal desert heat or freezing northern highways. Inside the ARI Legacy Sleeper, the outside world fades. The noise of logistics, deadlines, and distance disappears behind insulated walls. But comfort was only the beginning. The Bolt Custom Sleeper introduces a different personality altogether. High-gloss surfaces reflect ambient lighting that feels closer to a modern penthouse than a freight vehicle. Diamond-stitched leather panels wrap the cabin in precision craftsmanship. Multiple screens transform the interior into a mobile entertainment hub. At night, the Bolt Custom Sleeper glows softly in the darkness of remote truck stops, its calm interior standing in quiet contrast to the rumble beneath the hood. Some builders chased elegance, others pursued sheer scale. The ICT Sleeper expands outward with bold proportions that command attention wherever it parks. Step inside and the ceiling height alone shifts your sense of space. You are no longer inside a machine, you are inside a moving structure. Cabinets line the walls seamlessly. A dining space allows real meals instead of rushed snacks. Electrical systems power appliances for extended off-grid living. The ICT Sleeper exists because someone believed drivers deserved more than survival on the road. Then comes a machine built with deeply personal customization in mind. The ARI 156-inch Studio Sleeper pushes beyond standard layouts, allowing owners to design interiors that reflect their lifestyles. Some feature compact office workspaces with desks and ergonomic seating. Others prioritize relaxation with reclining chairs and immersive sound systems. Wardrobe storage allows extended travel without compromise. Inside the ARI 156-inch Studio Sleeper, the road feels less temporary. Night falls, highway lights blur, and another legend emerges with quiet confidence. The Platinum Edition Freightliner Custom Sleeper doesn't demand attention. It earns respect through intelligent design. The layout flows naturally from cockpit to living space, creating movement that feels intuitive. Durable materials reinforce the sense of permanence. This is not decoration. This is engineered comfort built to endure hundreds of thousands of miles. Time behaves differently inside the Platinum Edition Freightliner Custom Sleeper. Then comes something larger, bolder. The King Kong Custom Sleeper earns its name honestly. Massive dimensions create a towering presence that dwarfs traditional rigs parked beside it. Storage capacity expands dramatically. The sleeping area feels open rather than confined. The kitchen configuration allows real cooking, turning long-distance hauling into sustainable living. Drivers who operate the King Kong Custom Sleeper often describe a different relationship with the road. Fatigue changes when recovery becomes genuine. Innovation continued to evolve vertically as well. The ARI Ultra High Roof Sleeper redefines interior freedom by allowing full standing height inside the cabin. This simple shift transforms everyday movement. Stretching, changing clothes, walking naturally without bending, small details that reshape daily life during long-haul schedules. The ARI Ultra High Roof Sleeper proves that comfort often begins with space to simply exist. Technology also found its way into the next generation of extreme sleepers. The Bolt Luxury Extended Cab integrates intelligent power management systems that keep appliances running efficiently without compromising engine performance. Ambient lighting adapts to create calming environments during overnight stops. Soft touch materials replace cold industrial textures. Inside the Bolt Luxury Extended Cab, every surface feels intentional. Finally, at the far edge of possibility, stands a machine that completely blurs the boundary between truck and home. The ARI 180-inch custom motorhome sleeper pushes the concept to its absolute limit. A full bathroom allows genuine daily routines on the road. A full kitchen supports real cooking. Entertainment systems create familiar comfort thousands of miles from home. Storage systems allow drivers to live on the road for extended periods without compromise. Stepping inside the ARI 180-inch custom motorhome sleeper feels almost surreal. Because at that moment, the road stops feeling temporary. These machines exist because people refuse to accept discomfort as part of the profession. Engineers believed steel structures could provide warmth. Designers transformed empty space behind a cab into environments that support human endurance. The Double Eagle Peterbilt, the ARI Legacy Sleeper, the Bolt Custom Sleeper, the ICT Sleeper, the ARI 156-inch Studio Sleeper, the Platinum Edition Freightliner Custom Sleeper, the King Kong Custom Sleeper, the ARI Ultra High Roof Sleeper, the Bolt Luxury Extended Cab, the ARI 180-inch Custom Motorhome Sleeper. Each one represents a different vision of life on the open road. Sleeper trucks began as a simple solution to fatigue. But somewhere between endless highways and distant skylines, necessity evolved into craftsmanship. Today, these giants travel across continents carrying more than cargo. They carry stories, quiet nights under remote stars, early mornings when diesel engines awaken before sunrise, lives lived between destinations. Massive horsepower on the outside, human comfort on the inside. And that contrast is what makes the world's most extreme sleeper trucks unforgettable. Because even in the harshest industrial environments, people will always search for something more than function.
If you enjoyed, watch this. Like and subscribe to the channel for more mammoth machines.